Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use credit card in Google Pay. In Google Pay, if you want to add a card, follow along. First, open the Google Pay app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you just need go up to the top and click on the Ready to Pay button. Then, you're going to scroll over to the right end until you run out of cards. It'll then ask you to add a new card here. When you tap to add a new payment method, it'll give you options of adding cards that you've saved in your Google account, or you can click Add a new card. After that, it's going to give you an option to scan your card with your phone, or you can enter your numbers manually. After you agree to the terms, your card will be added to your Google account. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.